Good morning, children. Audible? Good. With prayer as usual. Join your hands. Very good. Close your eyes. Very good. Shuklam Vishnum Sisivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vigno Prashantaye Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhikotmi Sada Padmapatra Vishalakshmi Padmaketaravarnini Nityam Padmalaya Devi Samam Pata Saraswati Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. We will enter into the lesson. Children, components of food. Let's see what are the components of food. Children, already we learned about functions and everything, how food produces by plants and animals we learned. Now we shall see actually what are the components present in food. Food contains nutrients. Food contains nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances. Nutrients are the substances that an organism needs for repair and maintenance of its body. Understand, children? Nutrients are defined like this. Nutrients are the substances that an organism needs for growth, repair, and maintenance of its body. Okay, children? Let's see what are the nutrients. Nutrients are 5 types. Already we have seen carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Components of food are carbohydrates, fats, nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Let's see. First, we'll start with carbohydrates. Children, already I told you, carbohydrates are called energy-giving food. Carbohydrates are called energy-giving foods. I will unmute and I'll ask the question. End of the session. Now you listen carefully. Let's see carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are 2 types. Carbohydrates are 2 types. First one, sugar. First one, sugar. Carbohydrates are 2 types. First one is sugar and second one is starch. Sugars and starch. Carbohydrates are 2 types. Sugars and starch. Let's see. Sugars. What are sugars? Sugars are simple carbohydrates. Sugars are simple carbohydrates and they are found in the form of glucose and fructose. Carbohydrates are found in the form of glucose and fructose. And also they have sweet taste and provide instant energy. They have sweet taste and they provide instant energy. For example, you all have observed, I think, sportsmen, athletes. When they were in field, you observed, I think, many times, they used to take one drink, which is called Glucon-D, glucose. Why they'll take? To get instant energy. Because glucose is simple carbohydrate. To get instant energy, to get immediate energy, we can take sugars. Next, what are the main sources of sugar are? The main sources of sugar are glucose and cane sugar. Cane sugar means the sugar which we use regularly. Common sugar. Cane sugar means the sugar which we use regularly. And fruits we all like so much. Mango, banana, papaya. These all contain sugar. So that when we eat mango, papaya, such type of food, immediately we feel like that we got the energy. Because they contain simple carbohydrate, which is called sugar. Understand, children? Now we are learning components of food. Components in the sense food contain nutrients. Nutrients are 5 types: carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. So now we are learning about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Understand? Carbohydrates are energy giving food. So carbohydrates are 2 types. They are sugars and starch. Once again will see about sugars. Sugars. Sugars are simple carbohydrates. Why do they call as simple carbohydrates? Because they digest easily. When we take it, sugars need not to get digest. Directly they enter into the stomach, and from there small intestine, from there to the blood to get immediate energy. So that sugars are called simple carbohydrates. Next, they are found in the form of glucose and fructose. They found in the form of glucose and fructose. All fruits contain glucose in the form of fructose. Next, they have sweet taste. No, when we eat fruits, they are in sweet taste also. We know. Because why fruit is sweet? It contains sugar, then food tastes as sweet. You know, children, one more thing. When we put carbohydrate in our mouth, our salivary glands produces saliva. Our saliva contains salivary juice. Salivary juice have some enzymes like ptyalin and amylase. They act upon carbohydrates and then they make it as sweet taste. Then we will feel it as sweet. Understand? Always enzymes acts upon carbohydrate to digest. Next, they are in sweet taste and provide instant energy. When we take sugars, sugar means you don't think the sugar which is white color in our container at home. Not only that is in the form of sugar. Understand? Fruits and all other fruits also contain the sugar. And the main sources of sugar are glucose, cane sugar, which we get from sugarcane, which we use in our container at home regularly, and fruits like banana, papaya, mango, and you like so much. Yes, grapes. Grapes also contain carbohydrates. That too, simple carbohydrate, which is called sugar. Okay, children, clear about sugars? Clear about sugars? Okay. Shall we go for starch? We shall go for starch. Okay. Starch. You know, children, starch is a complex carbohydrate. What is the meaning of complex? It's opposite of simple. Simple carbohydrates, how digest in easy way. Complex carbohydrates, opposite. They take time to digest. Understanding, children? So, starch takes time to digest in our body. So, let's see. Starch is complex carbohydrate. It is the reserve food material of plants. That is, plants store energy in the form of starch. You know, children, plants actually they store after we learned already. Plants prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. After that, it transports all the parts of the plant. Then the extra food, reserve food, how we will keep safely in the bank our money. Right? Plants also they store reserve food in the some parts. Understand? In which one they store? The form of starch. They store in the form of starch. Understanding, children? While storing, plants food store in the form of starch. Next, pure starch is tasteless and odorless white powder. Pure starch is tasteless also, and it is odorless white powder. But when we learn about sugars, sugars are sweety. They are in sweet taste. But these starch is not taste. It is odorless and also tasteless and white powder. Keep in your mind, don't forget. Next, then how they are available? What are the foods provides energy in the form of starch means wheat, rice, maize. These all are the sources of starch. These all are the sources of starch. Wheat, rice which we eat every day as our lunch and dinner. That rice, maize, and even bajra. Bajra also contains in the form of starch. Understanding, children? And then how they provide energy? We learned that sugars provide energy instantly. When we take sugar, it energy immediately. But starch is not like that. Comparatively, starch provides energy slowly. Did you understand why it happens like that? Because sugars need not to digest. They enter directly so that we get instant energy. But the case of starch is not like that. Starch needs to get digested. Understanding, children? Needs, because starch is a complex carbohydrate. Is a complex carbohydrate. It needs to digest. And you know, children, carbohydrates will get only from the plant. Actually, nutrients will get plants and from animals also. But most of the carbohydrates we get from only plants. I'll show you the pictures as I will share screen. But I told you, I warned you, I requested you already that children, you just watch the picture. Don't touch at all. Even then, one or two students touch. It's a bad habit, children. Don't do like that. You are my good children, no? You are now Bharat children, and you all are my good children. You all are in science class. Okay. You like science subject much. Yes. Then you will not do such things. Okay, children? Good children. Okay. This is about carbohydrates. Shall we go for proteins? Okay, children. Now we will learn about proteins. Okay. You know, proteins are body building food. Proteins are body building foods. Then we get protein from two sources. They are plant and animal. Children, we get protein from plant and animal. Let's see. Shall we discuss first about plants? Okay. Plants. Children, you know, beans, especially you all know, I think, soya bean is in white color. Soya bean. Children, you know it contains high proteins. High proteins. Those who are vegetarian, they can take soya. Then they get more proteins. Understanding, children? So, soya contains more protein. Very good, very good, very good. Next, example have given especially soya because it contains iron. Next, if we come to the animals, children, you know, all from eggs and meat and fish. Oh, fish contains protein and also vitamins. See, eggs, meat, fish. Now we shall see. When we come to eggs, we learned about eggs, the food sources of food from plants and animals. We learned about eggs. Egg, we know that children needs to take whole egg, because you all know when we boil it egg, you'll observe that outside white color part, inside yolk, yellow color. No, so that white color we will call it as albumin. Understand? It contains 100% protein. Albumin is only for the protein. I like so much albumin. I eat. And inside yolk contains fat and vitamin C. Fat and vitamin C. So that you people, you children, now you are in the growing stage, so that you need to take whole egg every day. One boiled egg you need to take. Then you will get sufficient proteins and vitamins and fats when you take it. Okay. Now, meat. Meat we have to take lean meat. Meat means whole meat we should not take. Lean meat. What is the meaning of lean meat? Means it should not contain the fat. Then it is called lean meat. Lean meat means you should avoid the fat. Okay, children? Lean meat contains more protein. When you take along with the fat, what happens? You know, you'll get fat also. That is not good for the health, especially not good for the heart. So that children, when you take meat, you take lean meat. Lean, Lean, lean meat. Then when you come to fish, you like so much fish? Easy to digest. Fish digest easy way. So fish also contains more proteins. Children, our time is running out. Okay, once simply way I will explain protein and then I'll give the questions. Okay, children. So proteins are the body building foods. Proteins are the body building foods. We'll get protein from plants and even animals. Examples, still some more examples tomorrow I'll show you and I'll take you. Especially you see today, the more food, more protein content food is soya bean. And when we come to the animals, eggs, meat and fish. We have seen sources of the eggs, meat, fish yesterday. The sources of food. Eggs we get from hens, ducks, and turkeys. Meat, goat, hen, and fish. These all we have seen. So this is about proteins. Proteins are the body building foods. Carbohydrates are the energy giving foods. Everybody will get chance, but not all. Okay, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Students people why? Yeah. Okay. Suraj Kishore, I'm asking you questions. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand today's lesson?